Real estate is going insane, you guys. It is really crazy locally here in San Diego and across the country. So what is happening here locally? Should you buy? Should you sell? Should you wait? Should you move now? Let's look at the data and what it's telling us. I'm Tristan Campanella with Home by Tristan for all of your things with San Diego living and housing information. If you like this video, guys, remember to hit the subscribe button. Today, we're going to talk about the housing market 2021. You guys, I sell hundreds of houses and I've never seen things go this quickly. Most houses are going pending well within a week. I'm suggesting you leave it on at least a week to make sure you're getting the best offer possible. We don't want to leave any money on the table when you're selling your home. Can this market continue at this pace? That is the biggest question we have. Will we continue to see rising housing prices and low interest rates? And how is that going to help people afford a house here in San Diego? Today, we're talking about the housing market data. And in San Diego, year over year, sales price was up 20% in North County, up to 18% for attached homes. Our days on market is down 51%. For detached homes and attached homes are down 54%. You guys, supply has decreased yet again, 62%. And the whole median sales price for San Diego County was up 15.2% to $777,000. That is the highest that we've seen, well beyond 2008. Well, everybody must know, are we going to have a housing crash? We are not predicting one, okay? Where supply is down 60% for detached homes and 52% for attached homes. The only way that we would be able to have a housing crash is if we had more homes to sell than our demand, which is not the case. Listen, you guys, mortgage interest rates ticked a little higher in February, but they're still remaining below the 2020 February levels. Although they may go a little higher in the coming weeks, Freddie Mac is saying multiple temporary factors may drive up the rates, but the underlying economic fundamentals point to rates remaining in the low 3% range for the year. With rates still at a historically low level, home sales are unlikely to be significantly impacted through higher interest rates due to affordability. Rising rates have led to a slowdown in for-purchase mortgage applications, although volume remains slightly ahead of last year's pre-pandemic pace. But while headline February jobs numbers were positive, broader questions remain about the labor market's prospects going forward. The economy remains 9.5 million jobs below where it was this time last year and 12 million behind where it would have been had pre-pandemic job growth continued over the past year. While this unemployment rate dropped 0.1% to 6.2%, an alternative measure produced by the White House's Council of Economic Advisors suggests that a more realistic unemployment rate is closer to 9.5%. Need help creating a clear plan of action for buying and selling 100% virtually and safe? Listen, reach out to me today if you have any questions about what these numbers are from San Diego County Real Estate and what they mean for you and your home. I am here to help. Speaking from experience with helping hundreds of buyers and sellers in today's markets, there are two main factors. Number one, you guys, it is a seller's market. Homes are receiving multiple offers well over asking price. Until our inventory goes up, if you are thinking about selling your home, now is the time. But where will you go? Check out some of my videos up here to learn more about that. Home buyers, I hear it all the time. I'm gonna wait to buy a home because the market is so high. That is a huge mistake. And I'll tell you why. Interest rates are low, and that means you can afford more home at less cost. Additionally, there's no end in sight for home prices that are gonna crash. This is not a market based on faulty home loans like 2007. If you buy a home now, you could start to earn equity and be part of the increase in prices. The bottom line is the best time to buy a home is when you are ready, and usually now. Listen, I have people asking me all the time about the real estate market, about relocating to San Diego, moving to San Diego, selling your home. Please text or email me. I'm happy to help. Also, another thing to think about, what are the top markets that are at risk for a decline? So we're looking at areas in Florida, Miami, Texas, Las Vegas. San Diego is expected, according to CoreLogic, to go up another 9.6% by next year. You guys, do not wait to buy a house and get your home sold. Let me know how I can help you. Remember to hit like and leave me a comment below. I'd love to hear what you're thinking and how I can be of help. I'm Tristan with Home by Tristan, your local resource for all things San Diego.